In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Confluence. Let's get started by making sure you're in the right place. First, open your Confluence space where you want to organize your pages. You should be looking at the main content area with the list of pages on the left-hand side of your screen. That left panel is where your page tree lives, and it's also where you'll be able to add new folders to keep everything organized. Now, look over to that left sidebar where your pages are listed. Somewhere near the top of that panel, usually beside the word content or near the page tree, you'll see a small plus sign icon. This plus sign is what you'll use to add new items, including folders. If you don't see it immediately, try hovering your mouse over the left panel or expanding it if it's collapsed. Once you've located the plus sign next to the content area on the left, go ahead and click it. Think of this as telling Confluence, well, I want to add something new here. When you click the plus sign, a small menu will appear. This menu gives you different options for what you can create, such as pages or other types of content, depending on your setup and permissions. From that menu, look for the option labeled Folder. This is the option that will let you group related pages together, which is really helpful when your space starts to fill up with a lot of information. Carefully click on Folder. If you don't see the folder option right away, make sure you click to the correct plus sign in the page tree area and that you have the right permissions in that space. Sometimes refreshing the page or expanding the tree can help. After you click on Folder, Confluence will create a new folder in your page tree. At this point, you'll usually be prompted to name it. Choose a clear, descriptive name so that you and your teammates instantly understand what belongs inside. For example, you might use names like Project Docs, Design Specs, or Meeting Notes, depending on how you plan to organize your content. Once your folder is created and named, you can start moving existing pages into it or creating new pages directly inside the folder. This simple step of clicking the plus sign beside the content on the left and then selecting folder is all you need to start organizing